50 ohm inductance of 100 millihenry are connected in series across 200 volt 50 hertz supply. Determine inductive reactance, impedance, current, power factor. What is going here? Resistance R is equal 50 ohm, inductance L is equal 100 millihenry. L is equal 100 milli means 10 power minus 3. Next, applied voltage V is equal 200 volts. Next, frequency F is equal 50 hertz. Next, what are unknown here? First, inductive reactance XL. Next, impedance Z. Current I. Next, power factor. These are the unknown here. So, what is the circuit? Resistance, inductance connected across AC source 200 volts. What is our here? R 50 ohm, L 100 millihenry. So inductive reactance is represented by XL is equal to pi FL. That is equal to pi. What is F here? F means frequency. L 100 millihenry. Milli means 10 power minus 3. That implies inductive reactance XL is equal 31.41 ohms. Next, impedance is represented by Z is equal square root of R square plus X square L. That is equal. What is R here? R is 50 square plus what is XL here? 31.41 square. These in under root. So impedance Z is equal 50 square plus 31.41 whole square under root, that is equal 59.05 ohms. Current I is equal, in AC circuit I is equal V by Z. What is V here? V is equal 200 volt by Z means Z is the impedance. What is Z value? 59.05. That is equal 3.38. Current is measured in amperes. Next, power factor. PF is equal power factor comma cos phi is equal R by Z. What is R here? R value 50 by what is Z? 59.05. That is equal 0.8467. In inductance, current is lagging. 3 capacitors of capacitances 10 microfarad, 20 microfarad and 50 microfarad are connected in parallel. Find the resultant capacitance. 3 capacitors are connected in parallel. Equivalent capacitance C equivalent is equal C1 plus C2 plus C3. Capacitors are connected in parallel. Equivalent capacitance C is equal C1 plus C2 plus C3. Here in a given problem, C1 is equal 10 microfarad, C2 is equal 20 microfarad, C3 is equal 50 microfarad. These three are connected in parallel. So C equivalent means equivalent capacitors are connected in parallel. C equivalent is equal 10 plus 20 plus 50. That implies C equivalent means equivalent capacitors are connected in parallel. C equivalent is equal 10 plus 20 plus 50, that is equal 80 microfarad. that is equal 80 micro means 10 power minus 6 farads. Capacitors connected in parallel, C equivalent is equal 80 into 10 power minus 6 farads. Two capacitors of capacitance 3 microfarad, 6 microfarad are connected in series. Find the resultant capacitance. So here in a given problem, C1 is equal 3 microfarad, C2 is equal 6 microfarad. These C1, C2 are connected in series. So two capacitors connected in series. 1 by C equivalent is equal 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. So 1 by C equivalent is equal 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 can be written as C1 C2 by C1 C2. That implies C equivalent is equal C1 C2 by C1 C2 by C1 C2. C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. What is C2 here? C equivalent is equal. What is C1 here? 3 into 6 by 3 plus 6. 3 6 is 18 by 3 plus 6 9. 9 1s is 9 2s is. That implies two capacitors are connected in series. C equivalent is equal 2 microfarad. D square minus 3t plus 2y is equal 0, where capital D is equal d by dx. Solution. What is given problem here? D square minus 3d plus 2y is equal 0. Auxiliary equation is m square minus 3m plus 2 is equal to 0. Put d is equal to m. So compare with quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to 2. M is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. M is equal minus b is minus 3 minus plus 3 plus or minus b square minus 3 square minus 4, a is 1, c is 2 by 2a means 1. So m is equal 3 plus or minus 3 whole square 9, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8 by 2 1s are 2. M is equal to 3 plus or minus root 9 minus 8 1 by 2, that is equal 3 plus or minus root 1 is 1 by 2. M is equal 3 plus or minus 1 by 2. So M is equal 3 plus 1 by 2. M2 is equal 3 minus 1 by 2. Plus or minus means plus ఒకసారి రాసుకోవాలి, మైనస్ ఒకసారి రాసుకోవాలి. M1 is equal 3 plus 1 by 2, 4 by 2, 2. M2 is equal 3 minus 1 by 2, 2 by 2, that is equal 1. M1 is equal to M2 is equal 1. The two roots are real and distinct. General solution is y is equal e c1 e power m1x plus c2 e power m2x. Y is equal c1 e power m1 means 2x plus c2 e power 1x. Next, second problem. Solve d square minus 1 y is equal to 0. Auxiliary equation is m square minus 1 is equal to 0.
m square is equal 1, m is equal plus or minus root 1. M is equal plus or minus 1. Plus or minus 1 means m1 is equal 1, m2 is equal minus 1. The roots are real and distinct. The general solution is y is equal c1 e power m1x, c2 e power m2x. Y is equal c1 e power 1x plus c2 e power minus 1x. Next, third problem. Find the particular integral. Find the particular integral of the differential equation is d square plus 9y is equal e power 1x. Particular integral is equal f of x by e power ax by f of d. E power ax here, e power 1x by f of d. What is d here? D square plus 9. Particular integral is equal e power 1x by 1 square plus 9. Put d is equal a is equal 1. Particular integral is equal e power 1x by 1 plus 9 10. So particular integral is equal e power x by 10. Find L of e power minus 2t plus e power 2t. L of e power minus 2t plus L of e power 2t. L of e power minus at is equal 1 by s plus a. L of e power at is equal 1 by s minus a. So L of e power minus 2t plus L of e power 2t is equal 1 by s plus 2 plus 1 by s minus 2.